So I told Getaway I went to Guyana a few weeks ago when they had snowstorm. Hello from New York City. We have a blizzard. The worst they predicted in 9 years. Like, what is going on? Right? This is what outside looks like currently. I am going to go to the grocery now because I chose to be lazy all day. Let's see how this goes. I am dressed. This trip already started bad. Like, I come out the apartment and almost bust my ass on the corridor. Well, there's an outdoor corridor, so it's like snowed on, but like, whew, girl, when I tell you I catch myself, I just catch myself, literally. Guys, it looks nice, and I was smart enough to come out with an umbrella. When I tell you it's slippery, it is slippery as hell. Alright, I'm making it there. I saw somebody with sneakers on, what? No, no. I wish I could be there for you. Out on the road, I write your name in the snow. Now I'm instantly feeling, and I wish I could be there with you. Now I'm feeling low. I was talking to my mom the entire grocery trip, but I made it like I went to the grocery for 4 things. I am so embarrassed. I didn't even know what to pick up. Some broccoli, ice cream, an onion, and something else. Like, what? Oh yeah, guys, I survived in the wilderness. I can't believe my work was like, oh, you're gonna be so bad. I was like, listen, if I can't make it to work, I can take an Uber, and if not, I stay and I walk on the street. Right? They will have to clean the street, mind you. It's like 5 inches out here already. Yeah, so it is not bad. It is not bad. Yeah. These trees are the most prettiest ever. And Christmas trees. And these. Yeah, I come out with my umbrella though. This is why I almost slipped. I almost slipped again, so I'm just gonna walk home like this. I really went to the house and only got 4 things in the grocery. Corn, ice cream, a random onion, and broccoli. I don't know. The devil dragged me out of the house thinking that hey, I need things, and I don't know what I need. I really don't know what I need. I don't know why I went out of the house. But yeah, I do have some stuff to cook. And I have to go to work from tomorrow until Tuesday, so I'm buying stuff home. But yeah, guys, that's how the adventure in the snow went. At least I got ice cream though.